and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it right now because I wanted to come here during sunset, but let's get going. And I'm liking the weather low-key because it's not too hot. It's a bit windy, but it's perfect amount to wear your summer clothes. So also I want to take this bus. I wish I can take this bus. I have to make the bookings obviously. But yeah, let's go. Quick update, guys, the museum is closed, so I'm just gonna come back tomorrow. Anyways, it's like a walking distance from my stay, and today I'm just gonna sit and enjoy the view for a couple of minutes because the weather feels nice, and then I'm gonna continue walking to Old Quebec downtown again. I have reached the Old Quebec city's downtown, I guess, and this street has flowers of like outside of all the restaurants and the stores, and it's making it look so springy and summery kind of, because just looking at flowers cheers you up. So it's pretty. Let's explore some more places. Such a beautiful hotel. It's called the Fairmont, and oh my god, the property is epic. And I just looked it up on the internet. We can visit and look at the architecture even if you're not staying, so I'll probably just do that. And oh my god, oh my god, are you just looking at it? Oh my god! Wow! We are booking the stay here next time.
In the back. And normally in Japanese, it's actually original Mexican show. I even bring my original Mexican cactus. Made in China. Ah, I forget. For the last. I'm just gonna take a small lift or something. I don't know, it's scary, guys. And I wanna go to the ferry, so that's the reason I'll take a lift. And just look at the view. Actually very fun, and the market is nice, but I'll head straight to the ferry terminal because it's nearly 7, so maybe I can take the sunset ferry. Maybe, fingers crossed. I cannot look up the ferry schedule online. I don't know why, what's it called, but let's see. Let's hope we can. This is how the street looks. This is the ferry I wanna take, but just look at this place, guys. Oh my god. Obviously, the cruise left, and that was the last cruise for the day. I'm so disappointed. I really wanted to attend the sunset cruise, but anyways, there are some nice food trucks and music here, so I'll just sit here and look here for a while and just look at this cruise. Let's go. This is so beautiful. Worth missing the cruise, although I would have seen the same view from the cruise, but it's okay. Is so refreshing. It is so good. Like, I keep walking and walking because the port is so big and there are so many festivities going on. But just look at it, guys. Like, no amount of videos and photos are doing justice to the view, and I'm completely obsessed. Like, obsessed. So nice. I'll still enjoy the view, and I also heard there are gonna be some fireworks. I don't know the time, but obviously we'll do it. I saw this amazing restaurant. It literally has you put your feet in water. I'm gonna go try it. Let's go. I got my drink and I'm sitting here. The water's cold. It felt so weird walking into the water first. Now it's fine. So guys, a quick update. It's 9:30 and the fireworks started at 10, so I couldn't wait. So I'm just heading to my hostel, and I don't really have any dinner plans. Guys, it's 1 hour later. I reached the hostel and I took a quick shower, and now I'm in the kitchen. They have really cool kitchen, and I'm just making some instant noodles for myself because I do not feel like eating anything specifically or something like dinner types. So I'll quickly make some instant noodles and then we'll enjoy some instant noodles, and that's it. Guys, I did my dinner and now I wanted to chill for a bit, so I came to this library corner, and oh my god, it's empty. I have the whole place to myself, so I'm just gonna climb up to the top and let's go. We'll read something. So I am done with my dinner, and I just wanted to relax for a while, so I'm just in the cozy corner and I have taken a book and I'm just gonna read the book. I'll just show you the corner. Hello guys, it's the next day. My throat's gone and I'm dressed. It's a bit late. It's around 11 or something. I'm gonna go watch the Montmorency Falls today. It is the biggest falls. I'm not sure if in Canada or worldwide or something, but it's the biggest falls. Hi. And then maybe we'll go to watch sunset somewhere, but I'm not really sure we'll just let the day flow by. As I was saying, the first plan for the day is watching the falls, but before that, I'm not really feeling well, so I really want to have some masala chai.
Yeah, boy.
So I'm heading to an Indian restaurant. Hopefully, we find nice chai there, and I might have some quick breakfast, but then we are going to the falls. Oh my god. How hard can it be to find Indian cuisine in Quebec City? 2 restaurants were closed right now. One of them doesn't serve chai. Now I'm here at 4th one to try my luck. Let's go in and check it out, guys. This restaurant's also closed.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
And the reason they gave me is it's their prep time going on. So I was just wondering, like, why can you guys not update it on the Google Maps? Because obviously people are gonna come and just looking at the Google Maps timings, and they are like, we have prep time going on, and I'm like, okay. And now I'm too angry to eat anything, so I'll just head to the falls and we can just figure it out later on. And the falls is a bit further from here, like it's showing me 1 hour of bus ride. I don't really mind that. I just hope the bus comes on time. That's it. So let's go. Just opposite my bus stop there is an A&W, and I just came because I was very hungry and I also needed some coffee. So let's have our food quickly and then I'll head out. After a lot of figuring out and asking around, I am here and I see a cable car. Now I'm not sure if the cable car takes me down to the falls or can I walk to the falls or something. So we are still gonna ask around people and do our little research, and we'll reach the falls. And I feel the weather's pretty nice today, like it's sunny, so it's gonna be a bit colder around the falls. So let's see. Was the cable car ride that we took, and we could see the falls, and now we can even walk towards the falls, but it's like a long walk, although I feel like I wanna go there, so I might really go there because just look at it. Falls are so beautiful, like why can you not even walk there? Oh my god. And this is the cable car that we just took, and yes guys, just look at the falls. I am planning to go at the bottom of the falls, like you can walk and go. I just have to figure out from where to walk, but I wanna go. I can have little extra steps. Oh my god. The falls are so beautiful. I cannot even describe it in words. Oh, I'm totally obsessed, guys. Like literally obsessed. So we have an option to go to the bridge to see the top view, and then we can go to the bottom to see the view, and I decided this is a better option. So let's go. We are gonna be a little risky people, and I'm gonna walk all the way to the bottom. Now I have to watch my step because it's quite slippery here, and I would not want to fall on the rocks. So yeah. Honestly guys, some people give me a weird look when they see me talking to the camera or vlogging, but some of them are so nice. They'll give me such a gentle and a kind smile, and I'm like, ee. Also, I met a very nice family when I was waiting for the cable car. They were so sweet. We got to talking. They were from Boston, so it was a nice chat. They had 2 kids. They were twin boys, and oh my god, they were the kindest boys I ever talked to. Oh my god, they were so sweet. I really loved talking to them. So yeah, let's go. All those hike was worth being this close to the waterfall, where water literally hits your face. That's a whole different kind of feeling, guys. Literally, just look at it, and I can literally see the prettiest rainbow from here. I did something very crazy. I just took my socks and my shoes off, and I just wanted to feel the water because I love waterfalls, especially just because of the fresh and the cold water. And how can I not do that all the way here? So here we are. Have a nice trip. It's 1 hour later. I'm still at the same spot because I love this place. Oh my god, I feel I was so worried because I just had 1 day to spend in the Quebec City, but now that I've visited this place, oh my god, this feels so nice. And I've seen so many families, and I'm helping click everyone's pictures and stuff. It feels so nice, although it makes me miss my family a lot. I wish I was here with my family, showing them around this place and having those cute family pictures and videos, and that would have been so great. I'm just walking back from the falls, and I'm not really sure what's the next part of the plan, but my phone's battery is a bit down, so I might just charge it for a couple of minutes in the cafeteria of the falls, and we will decide then where we wanna go. I'm not really hungry, but I'm starting to get a bit hungry, so can I not leave this place? Oh god. So we also have to figure out what we are gonna eat, but I'll update you obviously, and I really hope you are enjoying the vlog because I'm enjoying vlogging. It's actually fun doing it alone. I was a bit scared and skeptical, and I'm enjoying it so far. So hopefully you guys enjoy the vlog too. So let's get going. So it's 1 hour later, and it was a 1 hour bus drive, and now I'm really hungry, and I'm heading to a poutine restaurant which is very well known, and it was recommended by the place I'm staying at. So let's try how their food is, and I'm really hungry and I'm planning to go watch the sunset somewhere. We really haven't planned, but first I need to have some food because it's been a while since we ate. So let's go. So this is the best poutine. Let's try it. I have high hopes. I actually like it. I'm done with the food and it feels so good. The food was actually very nice. Like, that was the best poutine I've ever had. And that's it. It's around 7:15 and I'm heading to a place to watch some sunset. Some sunset, not sunset. And let's see how it goes. It's like a 20 minutes walk from here, so I'll just walk and I'll update you guys. So I'm finally here after 25 minutes of hike, and this is the same place where I came yesterday, but it was in the afternoon, and today I want to see the sunset from here. So let's go. It's almost the time of sunset. It's 7:35, so let's go. Let me show you around.
Tu, mon préféré. Mais oui, c'est facile. Mais oui. No, no, no. Now pass your telephone number. Applaudissez votre like. Run away. And you run away, I shoot the fire. La gra-
Guys, so it's 1 hour later and I came to the hostel around 40 minutes back, and I did some packing and it was almost packed. I just had to pack my suitcase and stuff, and it literally took me 10 minutes just to close it. Now I am tired. I also took a shower, washed my hair, and now it's 10 p.m. and I'm confused what to have for dinner. I'm gonna order in because my feet are in so much pain. Like, since the last 5 days I've been walking 15k plus steps, and I'm so tired. And that's it, guys. Let's order something, and I'm just gonna chill around for a bit. I might go down, sit, enjoy, and talk with some people, although the hostel is mostly empty because it's the Friday night, so obviously people are out exploring. But let's go and see.
Alright, I guess.
guys, good morning. It's the next day and it's nearly 3 in the afternoon. So yesterday was crazy. I slept at 4:30 in the morning and then I woke up a bit late. I got dressed. I had to check out of the hotel and then I had to come back from Quebec City to Montreal, and now I have a 2 hours halt in Montreal, and I just went to an Indian restaurant to have some masala chai, and finally I found some masala chai, and now I'm gonna wait for 2 hours. My connecting bus is at 5 p.m. So just gonna chill around, and it's gonna be a long journey back home because I left Quebec City at 11:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna reach my home, London, at 6 in the morning tomorrow. So it's almost 24 hours journey, but I couldn't help it because it was such an last minute trip that I couldn't really find the direct transit. So I literally just slept 3 hours in the ride from Quebec City to Montreal, and I guess I'm doing the same thing. But let's see. I'm not gonna vlog much, but I have so many things to talk about and so many things to tell you guys. So wait for that. Wait for me to reach home and talk to you guys. Hello guys, this is the editing me, and it's been a couple of months since I went on my solo trip, and I tried my best to vlog, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you'll be seeing more such content videos related to traveling because that's what I really love. And this solo trip, I was very scared at first. Trust me when I say this, but the only thing for me is important is to travel, to get out of one place of my comfort zone and see the world. And I guess we are on that journey officially because this solo trip was crazy, literally crazy. I learned so many things, met so many new people who obviously had their own stories and experience to share, and I loved each and every part of it, like everything. And I just don't know how to express this, but it has been very fun for me, like literally very fun for me, because I just went to a new city. I'm sorry, I love talking. I have so many things to talk to about, but it was just a very crazy experience because I was so scared. Like, am I gonna get bored? But I'm like, how can you get bored of your own company? And obviously, you're gonna meet people, and especially me, I lived in a hostel. Like, I lived in two hostels, so that was an essential part of my trip because I got to meet so many new people.
and I tried the different foods, tried to talk to people who lived there, and trying to get to know their culture, and just trying to see how life is in that city or in that part of that city. And I guess it's very important for everyone, go on trips, travel as much as you can, because those experiences are worth more than things that you own in life. I guess experiences are over the top. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but if that does, then go out and travel. That's it. And I know this vlog came out in 3 different parts. It came out a bit late, but thanks for everybody who survived, who watched it till here. Thank you so much. I know I'm still growing. I'm still trying my best to put the content out, to give you as much as information as I can, and to try my best to edit them in the best way possible. But thank you so much. And this is me signing out from the Montreal vlog. And guys, Quebec is very beautiful. People living in Canada should actually visit it at least once, because I've already added to my list for another time. So that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye bye, signing out.